Using text styles with a table of contents or document outline to organize a Google Doc. I have a 4-page informational doc on the parks that make up the Walt Disney World Resort. When I scroll through, it is hard to tell where one section ends and the next begins. I could go back and bullet or bold the headings, but I'm going to use text styles instead. You can find text styles in the menu, and clicking the drop down will give you all the options. I'm going to start by highlighting my title and then clicking title. Orlando, Florida is going to become my subtitle. Disney World has 4 gates or parks. I'm going to make each one of these parks a heading 1. And each park is divided into lands. Those are going to be my heading 2s. And done. Now it makes it a little easier to find the different sections, but Google Docs has 2 features that really make text styles shine. First is Table of Contents. I'm going to put my mouse cursor where I want to insert the table of contents. Click Insert and Table of Contents. It's broken down by heading 1 and heading 2, but it looks like I forgot my favorite land, Adventureland. Let me go find it. Highlight it and make it a heading 2. Now back in the table of contents, I'm going to click the refresh button. And it added Adventureland. All these are links, so if you click on any of these, it will take you to that part in the document. I can get rid of my table of contents by right-clicking and clicking Delete Table of Contents. Second feature is Document Outline. Click Tools, Document Outline. This is very similar to the table of contents, but it's outside the document and a little bit cleaner. Clicking on any item will take you to that place in the doc. Finally, I'm not always a big fan of how Google formats the titles and headings, so I'm going to make some adjustments to my liking. So now I have it formatted the way I want. To make these changes to the entire document, I'm going to highlight Magic Kingdom, which is a heading 1. And I'm going to go to Update Heading 1 to match. Now if I scroll through, all of my heading 1s will match what the Magic Kingdom looks like. So there's Epcot, Hollywood Studios. Do the same for my heading 2s. Highlight, heading 2, and update heading 2 to match. So that'll change the format across the entire document. Hope this will make navigating your large Google Docs a little bit easier.